Hi everyone, please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
Hey everyone, this is Jason from Make It Tech. Hey guys, I hope you all are good and doing great. The thing is guys, recently the Lenovo launches a laptop in India. It seems quite impressive and this laptop was very good for the business people especially, and also if you are a college student also for project work, this was the best awesome laptop in its price category because guys it comes with the latest weight at nearly 1.5 kilograms. So anyhow guys, let's take a look at the specifications. Whereas guys, as usual, the first thing if you're talking about the processor, it comes with Intel i5 10th generation processor and the processor model is 1035G1 processor. And also guys, I have told many times in the previous videos, if the processor letter ends with the letter G, that indicates it's a gaming processor. Anyhow, this particular model comes with a 10th generation processor and it's Intel family i5. Anyhow, let's look into the Intel official website and let's check some more specifications about this particular model processor. So guys, here is the Intel official website. So this is the processor what we are talking about in this particular model. So I have seen here it comes with the 10th generation and it's Core i5 processor, and also we know that the 10th generation processor usually call it as Ice Lake processor. So here it is was. So whereas guys, if you look at the launch date of this processor was launched in 2019 quarterfinals 3. Whereas guys, this processor built with 10 nanometer architecture. So guys, this processor can build with 10 nanometer architecture. So which means that number 10 nanometer architecture indicates as this processor was good in terms of thermal management, and also we can assume this processor can consume less power. So like that, if you look at the performance of this particular processor, whereas guys, this processor comes with a 4 cores, that's awesome, and usually 4 cores means we can assume the hyper-threading double the number, which means the hyper-threading goes up to 8, and also the base frequency is 1.0 gigahertz, and whereas the maximum turbo boost frequency goes up to 3.60 gigahertz, and also the cache is 6 MB, and like that it can consume nearly 25 watts. So anyhow guys, it was clear this processor comes with 4 cores. So usually in i5 processor we can estimate 4 cores. So like that, this processor comes with 4 cores and hyper-threading it goes up to 8 cores, whereas the base frequency is 1.0 gigahertz and the turbo boost maximum limit, the boosting power, we can say like the turbo boost of this processor goes up to 3.60 gigahertz and it takes up to 6 MB cache. That was good and neat up to now. So like that, if you look at the RAM department of this processor, whereas guys in memory specification, this processor can able to take up to 64 ZP, and also the memory type, it can usually read DDR4 3200 and LPDDR4 3700, and also there were the 2 channels it can able to work. That's the awesome thing guys, this processor can able to support DDR4 RAM or even LPDDR4 RAM. So as we discussed, this processor comes with the 10th generation Core i5 and it's a G1 processor, which means the gaming processor, and as we discussed it's 1.0 base and it can go up to 3.6, and also it comes with 4 cores and cache is 6 MB. That's awesome what we discussed. Whereas guys, this laptop comes with a pre-installed Windows 10 with a lifetime validity, so that is what they mentioned here. So guys, like this, let's talk about the display. Whereas guys, this display comes with 14 inches screen, it's a Full HD 1920 into 1080 resolution and Full HD display, and also guys they use the IPS technology with 300 nits. So guys, in terms of the display, it comes with a 14 inches display and it's a Full HD plus display, anti-glare, and also the technology, I mean the screen type here is IPS LCD screen with 300 nits brightness level. So guys, with a display comes with 300 nits brightness level means this display was very good in indoor lighting condition. But keep in mind, if you want to work with this type of screen which comes with 300 nits type of screen, if you want to use in the outdoor lighting condition, then you need to think once, because the visibility of the screen was not great but it was okay. So anyhow, you have to think once, whereas indoor lighting condition it was awesome. And also guys, here the company claimed that this display can able to support Dolby Vision with a 4-side narrow bezels. So which means guys, watching movies, or even if you are a photo editor or even a kind of video editor also, it was very good with this display. It comes with 14 inches Full HD screen and also it comes with supports the Dolby Vision. So the viewing angles and the color production, watching movies was really awesome in this display. So like that, let's talk about the RAM on the hard disk capacity, how much this laptop coming. Whereas guys, here they mention here, it comes with 8 GB of RAM and the hard disk type is SSD, whereas it can able to support 512 GB. So guys, it was very clear, it comes with 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD. The thing is, they did not mention what kind of RAM they use here, whether it comes with DDR4 or LPDDR4. Whereas guys, this particular laptop comes with DDR4 means you can see over here the DDR4 RAM, it can support up to 3200 MHz, whereas suppose if it comes with LPDDR4, then this can able to support 3733 MHz. But anyhow, the company, in the Amazon website, they did not mention what kind of RAM they're using. But my prediction, this laptop comes with DDR4, which can able to support either 2933 MHz or even 3200 MHz. Most probably in these two segments only, my assumption the RAM speed was working. So like that, if you look at the hard disk, they mentioned here it comes with 512 GB of SSD. The thing is guys, SSD is okay, whether it is M.2 SSD or even NVMe PCIe Express Slot SSD. They did not mention, but I don't know what kind of SSD technology they use here. Whereas guys, in this price category, we usually expect the SSD like NVMe SSD type, which was very awesome when compared to the M.2 SSD. So anyhow, I wish they should give in here NVMe SSD, but I don't know, so I couldn't comment any kind of comment over here. So you guys have to ask the company before purchasing this system. And also the interesting thing is, this particular laptop comes with a graphic card. It's a brand from Nvidia MX350 graphic card. They included 2 GB graphics. That was awesome guys. Whereas it comes with the 10th generation of i5 processor. The processor letter end with G. The letter G indicates, I told you at the beginning, the letter G indicates gaming. We can also assume that actually the letter G indicates especially for the graphical department. So whereas this one also comes with a dedicated GPU, it comes with 2 GB Nvidia MX350. That was awesome. So guys, you can do, as I told you, the panel also, the screen also comes with 14 inches IPS. So it supports Dolby Atmos, 300 nits brightness level. So usually full HD screen. So doing video editing and Photoshop, or even if you are playing games also, which was very good in this particular model. But keep in mind, don't expect too much of editing like 4K footage or even the 8K footage, because it comes with the i5 processor with only 4 cores, and the graphic is also Nvidia 2 GB only to MX250. It's like a kind of modern work we can do, not too much extreme works. So like that guys, in the next point they mention here, it comes with 1.4 kg ultra thin and light laptop, and also it can give battery capacity up to 14 hours. So guys, the thing is, I have read in some article, this particular laptop comes with 1.5 kilograms with 14 watts up to standby mode, the battery. But whereas in Amazon website they mentioned here 1.4. Maybe it's the mistaken done in the website what we found in Amazon, but usually the weight is around 1.5 kg, and also it can stand by up to 14 hours. The company claims like that, but we can assume with little bit of heavy walking also, we can assume the battery should last around probably 6 to 8 hours nearly in my expectations. Whereas if you are a light user, just like a casual browsing, watching movies, streaming movies like that, then you can easily estimate the battery should come up to nearly 9 hours definitely. But whereas for light Photoshop editing or video editing in kind of gaming, or if even you are an app developer also, you can assume the battery should come around 6 to 8 hours, probably like that chances. So usually this laptop comes with a 1 year on-site domestic warranty, so which means the technician only come to the place where you are living, and the guy, the engineer who comes to your home, he only just replace the part, repair the motherboard. So it's a very good thing, on-site warranty. And like that guys, they also mentioned they are not covering the physical damages for the product. So for kind of sudden drops of the laptop causes the accidental damage, so that type of incidents was not covered in the warranty, but whereas by default it will get 1 year on-site warranty. And also guys, this device comes with pre-installed softwares like Microsoft Office Home 2019 edition, and like that in the box they was providing laptop, charger, user manual instruction. And also, while if you look at the ports also, it comes with 3.1 V2 series ports, generation generation 2. So like that, they are also providing the USB-C 3.1 port along with the DP display port along with the power delivery, so which is you can use it as a power adapter also. And also they have given here SD card. The SD card is like a micro SD card slot, and also along with the HDMI and headphone or even the combo with the mic. So in this picture you can see the ports, HDMI, Type-C ports, headphone jack port and the power adapter. You can see here clearly. Whereas guys, this picture represents as this particular laptop comes with dual speakers, 3x2 dual speakers. This was awesome. And the speaker type is also they added here the feature Dolby Atmos and also user facing speakers. So that is very great guys. The speakers usually comes at the bottom of the laptop, whereas 2x2 on the right and the left side. And also the speaker they added here Dolby Atmos. The screen is also Dolby Vision along with the Dolby Atmos speaker. That's the good deal. Whereas guys, if you're talking about the build quality, the body of the laptop is completely almost made of with metal chassis. So you can see here it comes with just 14.9 mm thickness, so which means it's like a mobile phone, like that we can say like that. And also guys, its weight is around 1.5 kg. Whereas if you're talking about the battery, we know that it can stand by up to 14 hours, but whereas this picture indicates as it comes up to 60.7 watts per hour. And also it comes with rapid charger pro technology up to 50%. So guys, the company is saying that it can stand by up to 14 hours. So anyhow, in this rapid charger, in just 30 minutes of charging, we can expect the lifetime from the laptop battery was around 7 hours. So it was really impressive guys. You have to think once. So this laptop does not coming the login functioning like fingerprint reader, whereas they added here facial recognition along with the hand-free logging, flip and R cameras. So with the help of face only, the Windows can wake up easily. Whereas guys, this particular laptop comes with the Wi-Fi 6 technology, which was recently launched in the market, Wi-Fi 6. So this device was ready to connect with Wi-Fi 6. That was the thing the company added the Wi-Fi 6 in his laptop, and also it comes with the Bluetooth version 5.0. So finally, if you're talking about the price, whereas this laptop comes with a price of around 82,000 rupees, and which was available in the Amazon and the Flipkart website, you can directly purchase. And also guys, before ending this video, I feel this is one of the best value for the money because they had a lot of features in this particular laptop, Lenovo Yogo Slim 7A model. Whereas guys, it comes with 14 inches screen, full HD. Not only that, they have also added the Dolby Vision support for the display. And whereas if you're talking about the speakers also, it comes 2x2 speakers, and also the speakers was certified with Dolby Atmos. So as I told, watching movies or even if you're doing any kind of graphical work, design or anything, the display was awesome. But keep in mind, it comes with 300 nits. I'm not saying if you can work with the display in the outdoor lighting conditions also, but 300 nits display indicates as usually the outdoor visibility is not great but good. But whereas if you are working with this particular display in indoor lighting condition, that was awesome and great. Whereas this device also comes with a 2GB MX350 Nvidia graphic card, so that was very good. But they did not mention how much clock speed the graphic card work, anything they did not mention. And also it comes with 8GB of RAM. They did not mention whether it is DDR4 or even LPDDR4. So if it is DDR4, the RAM speed is around 29666 MHz or even 3200 MHz, or even there should be chances the RAM speed should be like 2666 MHz also. But my opinion, but I was my consumption, the RAM speed should be around 2933 MHz in this laptop. The hard disk, they added the SSD 512GB. It was clear, but they did not mention whether it is M.2 or even NVMe. If they added NVMe, that was more awesome, because when compared to M.2, NVMe SSD was more quick and fast and also very expensive, whereas we are spending here 82,000 rupees. So in this price category, we usually expect the hard disk type was NVMe. So like that, it also comes with the 10th generation Ice Lake processor from the Intel i5. It comes with the G processor. Usually the letter G indicates it's a kind of graphical work, we can use it. So that's why they have added here dedicated GPU, MX350 also. That was a good thing. 10th generation processor. The base frequency is around 1.0 GHz and turbo boost it can goes up to 3.60 GHz at 6 MB cache level, along with 4 cores, and hyper threading it goes up to 8 cores. Whereas Windows 10 OS was pre-installed for the lifetime Windows 10 single home edition. And also if you look at the battery they claim here up to 14 hours, but whereas you can assume the battery should be probably around 8 to 9 hours while if you're doing light task in this laptop. But even though if you're doing any kind of heavy works also, you can assume the battery should come probably around 6 hours easily. But whereas they added here rapid charge, so with that rapid charge technology, you can in just 30 minutes of charging, you can expect the lifetime of the battery was around 7 hours. That was awesome really. And also this laptop was very good for the people who travel from one place to another place because it comes with weight around 1.5 kg. And also keep in mind it was built with metal chassis. That was a very good thing, so we can assume good durability because of the metal chassis also. Whereas guys, before ending this video, while you're doing the video calls like Skype or Zoom classes, while you're calling in this laptop also, that laptop can easily blur your background, so the making video calls was awesome in this laptop. So anyhow guys, I was providing a link in the description, and also here they mentioned here with the Citibank there were credit card, the 5% instant discount was available, and you guys can check out from the link in the description I was going to provide right now. So if you purchase from that link, I get little commission because of you if you purchase from my link, so which was useful for our channel. So anyhow guys, thank you so much guys for spending your valuable time with me. If you have any kind of specific questions, just let me ask in the comment section. I was very happy to assist you. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time. See you very soon in the next video. Hey guys, please don't go outside. The corona was increasing very high in our country, India also. So my humble request, please stay with your family and enjoy with them in these days. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.